In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient background in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your slides look more modern, more professional, and a lot more visually appealing without needing any design experience. Whether you're making a presentation for school, work, or a business pitch, a gradient background can instantly make your slides stand out. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the gradient background. Now, simply right-click anywhere on the slide. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Format Background. This will open the background settings panel on the right side of your screen. Once the panel opens, look for the Fill options and select Gradient Fill. As soon as you choose that, PowerPoint will automatically switch your background from a plain color to a gradient style. This is where the real customization begins. Now let's customize the gradient so it looks exactly the way you want. First, find the type option. Here, you can choose between different gradient styles such as linear or radial. A linear gradient gives you a smooth transition in one direction, while a radial gradient spreads the colors outward from the center. Choose the one that best fits the style of your presentation. Next, go to direction. This lets you choose how the gradient flows across the slide. You can try different directions until you find one that looks best with your content. After that, you can adjust the angle if you're using a linear gradient. Changing the angle will shift the direction of the color transition, which is really useful if you want the gradient to flow diagonally, vertically, or horizontally. Then you'll see the gradient stop section. This is one of the most important parts because it controls the actual colors in your gradient. Click on each stop and choose the colors you want to use. For the best effect, try adding 2 or 3 colors. That usually gives the background a much richer and more polished look without making it feel too busy. You can also adjust the position of each stop to control how much of each color appears on the slide. Take a moment to experiment with different color combinations. For example, you might use a dark blue fading into purple or a light blue blending into white, depending on the mood you want to create. Softer colors work great for clean corporate slides, while bold colors can make creative presentations look more dynamic and exciting. Once you're happy with the design, you can apply that same gradient background to every slide in your presentation. To do that, simply click Apply to All. This is especially helpful if you want your entire deck to have a consistent and professional look. If you don't click Apply to All, the gradient will only appear on the current slide, and that's it. You've now created a gradient background in PowerPoint. It's a small change, but it can make a huge difference in how your presentation looks and feels. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.